Hello everyone. Welcome to this video on how to install the Bold Reports Standalone Report Designer. Before getting into this video, let me briefly explain the Standalone Report Designer. The Standalone Report Designer is a completely free report designing tool that empowers developers and analysts to build paginated SSRS, RDL, and RDLC reports rich in data visualization. It features an intuitive UI to design, edit, preview, and export reports locally in your machine. Before installing the application, make sure that your development environment meets the hardware and software requirements. 2.4 GHz or faster, 32-bit or 64-bit processor. 8 GB RAM for 32-bit or 2 GB RAM for 64-bit. 400 MB hard disk space only for installation files. Windows 7 or higher or Windows Server 2008 R2 or higher operating system. Now let's see how to download the Standalone Report Designer from the Bold Reports website. First, open boldreports.com. Click Resources in the top panel. And click Other Products. Then choose Standalone Report Designer. Then click the Download for Free button. You will be redirected to the Accounts page. And the product list will be displayed in the left panel. Click the Download button under the Standalone Report Designer. And the file will be downloaded. You can also download the application in zip format. Now let's see the steps for installing the Standalone Report Designer. I double-click the downloaded file. The Standalone Report Designer installation dialog will open. After looking at them, select the I agree to the license terms and conditions checkbox. And click the Next button. A dialog will open that will ask you to install CF# binaries and dependencies. CF# is a lightweight .NET wrapper around the Chromium embedded framework user for WPF web browser control implementation. To see the Sharp license, click License. Then click the Next button. The Install Settings dialog will open. The installation location field explains where the application will be installed and the files related to the application copied. The Create Start menu group and Create Desktop shortcut options are enabled by default. If you disable these options, you can start the application later by searching in Windows. Click the Next button. The Consent to Deploy Client Libraries dialog will open. If your report needs to connect with Oracle, MySQL, and PostgreSQL data sources, we need to install additional packages. Since Oracle, MySQL, and PostgreSQL are third-party software, we need to agree to their terms and conditions. By enabling the checkboxes, the packages will be automatically downloaded while installing. If you don't use data from these data sources, you can skip this step. For this demo, I enable the MySQL, Oracle.Manage Data Access, and NPGSQL 4.0.0 checkboxes. And then I click the Install button. After the installation, the Standalone Report Designer installer will be installed in the path entered in the installation location field. Since I have chosen Program x86 as my installation location, the Report Designer folder is created in the Bold Reports folder, within Program x86 folder. In this folder, you will see the required assemblies and client libraries, scripts, styles, and local files. The installation wizard adds two separate application launchers, Bold Reports Designer and Bold Reports RDLC Designer, to your desktop, which are used for creating and editing RDL and RDLC reports. If you want to learn more about RDL and RDLC, and get a comparison of them, I have provided a video link in the video description that explains more about RDL and RDLC reports. After the installation process is complete, you can click Launch Application. You can see the Report Designer is loaded, and you can start creating stunning professional reports in the Report Designer. For this demo, I am going to create a simple sample report with a table report item. Create a new data set and name it Customer Data Set using the SQL Data Connector. I have provided a video link for creating a data source using SQL Data Connector in the video description for your convenience. Drag and drop the table report item from the item panel to the design area. Add the necessary columns. Assign values to the header row. And format them. Assign values to the data row. And format them. To preview the report, click the Preview button. You will see the values are retrieved from the database and displayed in the table report item. To save the report, click the Save icon in the toolbar. And choose Save in the drop-down list. Select the location in which the report is to be stored. Change the file name. And click Save. In this video, we learned how to install the Bold Reports Standalone Report Designer. Stay tuned to this channel for our upcoming videos on Bold Reports. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.